Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make this necktie bow. These are measurements and materials which I'll be using to create my necktie. Now I'll show you how I create this necktie. First, I'll prepare my longest ribbons, which are 18.5 centimeters each, and I'm banding edges on both ribbons so they don't fray. And next, I'm putting those two ribbons together like that, and I'm sewing them together. Next, I'm cutting both ribbon ends on a diagonal. And banding edges on these two ribbons so they don't fray. Next, I'm preparing these 16.5 centimeter long ribbons, banding edges so they don't fray also. And now I will create a bow for the necktie. I am folding it in half and pinning the center and repeating same on other ribbon. Next, I will sew each end of this ribbon to the center. My first ribbon is finished now. Now I'll repeat same process on other ribbon. Here are my both finished ribbons. Next, I will sew these two ribbons together. I'm crossing them together like that, and I will sew them together in the middle. Next, I will sew this gold crystal in the middle of the bow. My bow is finished now. Next, I will sew brooch pin on a felt fabric. So I'll sew this brooch pin on the top of the felt fabric there. Next, I will glue all these three pieces together. I'm applying glue on the top of the ribbon there, and I'm attaching my bow on the top of the glue there. Next, I will glue on brooch pin at the back there. And here are my finished necktie ribbons. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions how I made this necktie bow, please do comment down below in the comment box. I have made other necktie bow brooch videos. I'll link these 4 videos down below in description. If you liked this video, please subscribe my channel and I'll see you next time.